What is our national fruit?
My national fruit is mango.
What is our national bird?
My national bird is peacock.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red color.
Okay. What is our country name?
My country name is India.
What is our state name?
My state name is Telangana.
Who is the Chief Minister of Telangana?
CM KCR.
Who is the PM of India?
Prime Minister.
ఎవరు
Prime Minister.
అదే
Who
ప్రైమ్
is the Prime Minister of India?
India is Moli.
Okay. Who is the President of India?
Moli.
President of India. President.
President is Ramat Kovind.
హై ఫై
Okay. What is the capital city of Telangana?
Hyderabad.
How many states are in India?
29.